Hello students. Today we will learn about a chapter about application, about percentage and its application. Okay. So what do you understand by percentage? You can say that percentage can be of we can say that it means it has one qualitative meaning and one quantitative meaning. So the quantitative meaning means per means divided by and cent means 100. So anything, suppose 50%. So anything whose base is 100 cent. So 50 per cent. Cent means 100. See. Okay. But what it actually defines is that 50%. What is the meaning of 50% means? We know that the value of 50% is 1 by 2. So when you get this value, obviously you have divided by 100 and you get the value of 1 by 2. Means this thing is called original quantity. Okay, this is the original value. Okay, so whenever you apply this to the original value, it will give you the result of this. So this is result. Okay, let me brief you once again. Suppose it is a 50% and the value is 1 by 2. So whatever the value you have at the denominator, it is the original value. And whenever you apply an operation of a percentage on original value, suppose you apply 50% of 2, 50% of 2 is 1, the numerator will give you the result. Okay, so this is the result. So you have to remember that this is the original value, what you get is result, and this is the application of. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose you have taken an example like 1 by 3%. Okay, so 33 1 by 3% means 33 1 by 3% is 1 by 3. So what this mean? It means when you apply 33 1 by 3% on the value of 3, you will get the result 1. Okay, that is the meaning of percentage. You have to learn all these values, and once you understand what it actually means, it will be easy for you to apply on the further question. All these values will be used. Okay. Okay, so suppose 25%. So what will the value of, if you apply, if you say that 25% of 4, so 4 25 by 100 will give you the result 25 4 is 100, 4 4 1. So that is what I am trying to explain, that when you apply, when you say that 25%, it means that when you apply any operation or like 25% on 4, you will get the result 1. So this will give you result R, and this is the original value O. Okay, in SPCP this is CP. Okay, so that is what I am trying to explain. You always have profit and loss on CP. So after you have learned all these values, you will get to know these kinds of questions. Suppose if you have to apply a 16 2 by 3% of a number is added with itself, then the result become 4956. Find the original number. So 16 2 by 3% of a number means what? The value of 16 2 by 3% is 1 by 6. You see the table, 16 2 by 3% is 1 by 3. Okay, here. Okay, so you apply 1 by 6. So here 6 is the original number. Okay, so it is said that if 16 2 by 3% of a number is added with itself, means 16 2 by 3% of 6, which is 1, is added to itself. Itself means added to 6. So 1 is added to 6, then the result become 4956. So you know that when 1 is added to 6, it will give 7, but the value of 7 is given, that is 4956. So value of 1 will be 4956 divided by 7. So you will cut these value, it will become 7 7 49. Okay, 7 0 7 8 56. So it will come 708. Okay, so the value of the original number means 6. So what will the value of 6? The value of the 6 is 708 multiplied by 6, 4248. So you get the original number as 4248. Okay, we will take another question of this kind. If you don't understand it, you repeat the video, you will understand it. Okay, here we have, if 16 2 by 3% of a number is subtracted from itself. In earlier question we have added with itself, now it will be subtracted from itself. So you know, when the 16 2 by 3% of a number, that is, where 6 2 by 3% of a number, 6 2 by 3% means 1 by 15. You can see from the table that value will be 1 by 15. Is subtracted from itself, means 15 is subtracted from itself, means 1 is subtracted from 15, which will be 14. So 14, the original number result becomes 5670. The result is given 5670. So the value of 1 is 5670 divided by 14. You will cut the value, you will get 405. Do the math. Okay, so the value of the original number is 15. So the value of 15 will be 6075. Okay, the base value is always the original number. Okay, next we have, if 11 1 by 9% of a number is added with itself, the result become 900. So 11 1 by 9% of a number is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is added with itself, it means 9 plus 1 10. So 10, when 1 is added to itself, 1 is added to itself, means 1 is added with 9, it will give 10. So 10, the value of 10 is 900, the value of 1 is 90. So the value of 9 is 9 into 9 81, 9 into 90, that is 81, 810, 810 is the answer. Okay, this way you can do all these questions. If the 64 is added with the number, then the number become 157 1 by 5 of a number. So find the number. Okay, so the value of 157 1 by 7 of a person, either you can calculate it or you can just learn the value, and it will come in the ratio of 11:7. Okay, so it is said that when 64 is added in a number, then the number become 157 1 by 7. So original number is 7. Okay, when 64 is added, it will become 157 1 by 7 of a number. So what is the difference between the result and the original value? Result is 11, okay, which becomes, and the original value is 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4. Okay, this 4 is actually added, means when 4 is added to 11, it become that number. So this 4 value is given, which is 64. So the value of 4 is 64, that is given. So the value of 1 is 16. Okay, so the original number is 7 into 16, which is equal to 112. Okay, by this way you can actually find all these questions related to finding the original number and their successive result. Suppose in next question, if 930 is, this is a homework, if 930 is added to a number, then the result become 444, 4 by 9% of itself. Then find the original number. Okay, this question, do this question in homework. Okay. Okay, thank you.